to remember when dealing with a deadly alligator. And yes, they are deadly. Don't kid yourself. Rule number one. I'm number one. You hear that? I like to kid around. Rule two, the Croc's number two. Now, before we begin.
Hey.
What's that? Kid, give me a break.
So
Yeah, you want a match? My face and your ass. How about that, friend? Huh? I mean, your ass and my face. What's up? I'm a bit of a crocophile, so don't try this at home. This here's Rocky, and he ain't no puppet. He got some cavities. Knows not to mess with Sir Joseph Byrd. Oh, when bad bets go bad.